Hi guys, it's Valrine here. I am just checking in with you guys to say thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing, for your continued support. I see the channel has hit 700 subscribers, and that has made me very happy. Not at home. I have flown south to be with my 80 and 81 years old parents because I'm here just to help them. I'm living all the way north in Canada. They're living all the way south in the United States of America. So I had to come here I'm going to be here for almost 5 weeks. I'll be here until the end of February, so you might not be seeing the videos as I promised that the schedule would be Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. However, I have uploaded some videos, so there's a lot there for you guys to see, to watch, and to learn from. So please continue to check out those videos, comment, share, and keep subscribing, guys. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead, check out the channel. You'll see a lot that you can learn from, and subscribe. Help us to keep growing. While I am in the south here, I'm enjoying the sunshine, out of the snow and into the sunshine. Also enjoying the time with my parents. As I said, they're 80 and 81. That's a blessing. They'll be 81 and 82 soon this year. So while I spend some time with them and enjoy them, you guys, please keep subscribing, keep supporting that channel. Be blessed, and you take care now. See you in the next video soon.